Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, duplicate the shape, select the erase color to back color green, select another shape, change the color. Then select the 3D shape, the path 10, change the color. Then select a sticker, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.